Hey, how you doing? This is Nichols from Nichols Mindset, and today I thought I would do a video on sales funnels. And so later on I'm gonna jump onto my computer. I'm gonna show you how a generic or proper sales funnel could be done. You definitely can add to it or take away from it, but I just want to show you some of the basics that you want to be following, especially right now if you're running like an e-commerce store or something like that. You want to be able to capture all the traffic that's coming through that sales funnel. You do not want to have any leakage, because right now a cost per lead or a cost per customer can be very high. So having a sales funnel that can actually track them and stay in contact with these people through the sales funnel is very important. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and jump onto my computer and I'm gonna show you what a generic sales funnel looks like and how you could probably actually implement it into your business. All right, let me go ahead and jump on our computer. All right, now we're on my laptop here, so we're gonna go ahead and walk through this simple sales funnel. We're gonna show you how, a simple sales funnel is going to actually reap a lot of benefit if you have all the elements in place. All right, so if you're selling any kind of product or service, maybe you have coffee, a business, you just want to try to sell some information, product or services, you want to try to have a sales funnel. All right, so if you're running organic traffic, so organic traffic is Google search, so people are typing in keywords, maybe they're looking for a coffee beans machine or whatnot, so they'll come through Google, and that'd be considered organic traffic, and they're clicking on your website and they're going into an opt-in page. All right, and then also the other sources of traffic can be paid traffic. This can be Facebook ads, this can be Instagram, it can be your a newsletter, it can be anything that you're actually using a paid service to drive people to your website. All right, so the most common one would be, say, we're used, for example, Facebook ads. All right, so they're coming to an opt-in page. So this opt-in page is pretty simple. It's once you get to, because what's different from an opt-in page and a website, I can come to your website. It's kind of like an online store. I can go here, I can go there, I can go to About Us, I can go to your services, I can go to Contact Us, terms and conditions. But with an opt-in page, it's just for you to collect their name and email. That's all you're trying to do. And so you're gonna have some kind of call to action. Maybe you're giving away their free guide, free PDF, or free audit of somebody's website, or anything. All right. So once they come to the opt-in page, and so two scenarios. What's going to happen is either they're going to opt in, they're going to give you your information, and they will continue on to the sales page. And the second scenario is they will we can hit them with a pop-up. So a pop-up is not so popular among some people, but in this case we'll use a pop-up. So right when they're about to leave the website, maybe they're not interested in that information, and so we'll hit them with a pop-up, and they try to get them to get their name and email. And if that doesn't work, then we'll drop a pixel. If it's yes, they will just go ahead, we'll send them right to their sales page. We collect their information on that pop-up and send them to the sales page. And so what happens is, if they say no, we'll drop the pixel, and then we'll begin to retarget them. So what happens is retargeting, if you don't know what retargeting is, pretty much if you go to, say, Amazon, and Amazon, you find some products there, maybe you found some shoes, and then at some point you just left the website and you didn't order anything. So Amazon, what they would do, they would put a pixel on your website. So now if you go to CNN, ESPN, or any of these websites like Washington Post, like here, they would have their ad on there following you around just to remind you, because it can be many cases. You can sit down with your kids and you're shopping, and then all of a sudden you get distracted. You have to go cook food for the family and you close your laptop. But now when you open it back up, you're gonna get retargeted again, just to remind you, hey, you remember you came to my website. And so after that, if you click on that ad, we'll send you right back to the opt-in page, and then we'll continue on that process until you opted in. All right. So the next step is the sales page. That's where we're going to be really concise, call to actions, trying to get you to sell, having a great value offer for you to go ahead and order from our sales page. And it's a difference from, like I mentioned, it's a difference from just a website, where you have a lot of information on here. The only objective is to get you to buy and go to the order page. All right. So if you go to the sales page and you go to the order page, and for some reason you do not purchase, if you purchase, you'll go ahead and continue to the thank you page. And if not, two scenarios are going to happen, because we already got your email. So what happens, we'll put you in a re-offer campaign which would be 3 emails. We'll try to hit you with 3 emails over a certain period of time. And if you click the link within that email, we'll send you right back to the sales page, and you'll continue that process over. So at the same time, you're collecting emails, and you can continue to email them through email. And if not, at the same time, we'll drop another pixel. And this pixel will be able to retarget them again using the same process of placing your ads on the website. And if they click that ad, they will go back to the sales page and continue on the process. All right. And then after that, they'll go to the thank you page, and we'll send them a confirmation order. So what happens is you want to try to retain as much traffic as you can in this sales funnel. So either you're building pixels, or you're building an email campaign. So you're building up your emails, and you can continue to market to these people over a period of time until they make a sale. All right. So I hope this was interesting. Interest to you. I hope that, you can benefit from this. If you're new, because I know we have a lot of experienced salespeople out there, or digital marketers, but for just the average Joe Pop store looking to, get their business online, this would definitely be something you can implement. It looks complicated, but basically all you need is a Facebook ads account, so you can set up a pixel, and you can use something like MailChimp to put them in an email marketing campaign. All right, so stay tuned for some more videos. We're trying to just do a broad range of videos, from email marketing, SEO, landing pages, messenger chat boxes, all these different things. All right, so stay tuned till next time. Holler at your boy.